Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super cool skull bone face edit with smooth transitions. We'll be using InShot for this tutorial. Stick with me till the end because I'll also show you how to make the final edit look cinematic. So let's get started. First, open your editing app and import your main clip or photo. I'm using this clip here, but you can use any footage you like.
관심 있어?
Now, we'll add the skull bone effect. So first we need to click a picture of the image in which we want to add our skull face. Then import it into your short.
After editing the image, we will search for the PIB. Then we have to select and the skull which you want to edit in your short. Then you have adjusted according to the time. Then we will do some edits of the skull face. Then we will go to cutout and use Chrome, and then adjust it according to the image. Your skull face will be ready. Now we have to do some animations in it. Now it comes the funniest part, transitions. You can choose any transition you want. After some setting the transition, that you have to go in effects and choose any effect you want. Then adjust it. Now if you want, you can also choose any filter for the image because it makes your image look more realistic. Now you have to choose any beat or song from YouTube or any other platform. Then import it into your short and adjust it according to the length of your short. For example, I am using this song. Now it seems perfect. Let's check out the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tutorials every week. Comment below what effect you want me to teach next, maybe a fire face effect or neon glow edits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.